Alright, I'm just on my way down to Ah Cacao on 5th to 38. And I'm meeting my friend Denise. We're gonna have coffee. And I just thought I'd show you what the street scene is like on December 21st, the Monday before Christmas, week of Christmas, here on Quinta Avenida, Playa del Carmen. It's pretty busy, but definitely could be busier, and it probably will get busier tomorrow. I like the lights. It's a nice touch at night, especially. If I have a chance later, I'll grab some video of this on the way back after sunset. Honestly, this place in here, 50 gramos, it's one of my favorite steak places to go to on 5th Avenue. I wouldn't say it's like the most amazing, but it's a good balance of price and quality. Ooh, it's getting busy down here at 38.
Hello guys, how you doing? ¿Cómo están? ¿Hablan español?
Alright. Oh yeah, I did leave my hippo's at home. Alright, it's a pretty short walk here. Ah Cacao is just up here on the right. Let's see if she's still here. She told me she was here like an hour ago. Let's see if she's still here. Right, so we're gonna go find her here. I don't see her outside, so let's go check inside. She must have left.